Military technology has always been at the forefront of innovation, with countries across the globe pouring billions of dollars into research and development to maintain their military superiority. From sophisticated fighter jets to unmanned drones, the world's most advanced military technologies are not only crucial for national security but also shape global political relations. Today, we'll be delving into the top 7 most advanced military technologies in the world, exploring the cutting-edge innovations that give countries an edge in modern warfare. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of advanced military technology. Welcome to the most. Number 7. Hypersonic missiles are a type of missile that can travel at incredibly high speeds, typically faster than Mach 5, 5 times the speed of sound. These missiles are designed to be able to evade traditional missile defense systems, making them a formidable weapon in modern warfare. Hypersonic missiles are capable of reaching targets much faster than traditional ballistic missiles, and are able to maneuver in flight to avoid interception. This makes them extremely difficult to defend against, as traditional missile defense systems are not designed to track or intercept objects moving at such high speeds. One of the main challenges in developing hypersonic missiles is the extreme heat generated by the high-speed flight. The materials used in the construction of the missile must be able to withstand temperatures that can exceed 2000 degrees Celsius, 3600 degrees Fahrenheit. Several countries are currently investing heavily in the development of hypersonic missiles, including the United States, China, Russia, and India. Number 6. Artificial intelligence or AI has rapidly transformed the way we interact with technology, and the military sector is no exception. Military technology has always been at the forefront of technological advancements, and the implementation of AI is no different. AI is being utilized in the development of autonomous drones, vehicles, and other systems that can operate without human intervention, making them valuable assets in the battlefield. One of the most significant advantages of AI is its ability to process and analyze large amounts of data in a matter of seconds. With advanced algorithms, AI can quickly identify patterns and anomalies in data that would take humans hours or days to uncover. This allows military decision-makers to receive real-time intelligence and make informed decisions rapidly. Number 5. Directed energy weapons refer to advanced weapon systems that use focused energy to incapacitate, damage, or destroy a target. The energy can be in various forms such as lasers, high-powered microwaves, and particle beams. One of the primary advantages is speed, as the energy beam travels at the speed of light, making it almost impossible to avoid. Another advantage is the ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously with high accuracy, reducing the chances of collateral damage. However, the use of directed energy weapons also raises concerns about the potential effects on civilians and infrastructure, as well as the possibility of their being used for malicious purposes. As a result, there are ongoing debates about the ethics of using directed energy weapons in military operations and the need for regulations to control their use. Number 4. Cyber warfare is a form of warfare that involves the use of digital technologies to disrupt, damage, or destroy an enemy's computer systems, networks, or other critical infrastructure. It includes both offensive and defensive operations, such as hacking, malware deployment, and electronic espionage. Cyber warfare is a relatively new concept, but it has become increasingly important in modern military operations due to the growing reliance on digital technologies. As technology continues to advance, cyber warfare is becoming an increasingly important part of military strategy. Many countries are investing heavily in developing advanced cyber weapons and defenses to protect their own networks and disrupt those of their enemies. The potential for cyber attacks to cause widespread damage and chaos means that this type of warfare is likely to remain a key part of modern military operations for the foreseeable future. Number 3. Quantum computing is a rapidly developing technology that harnesses the principles of quantum mechanics to perform computations that are beyond the capabilities of classical computers. A key feature of quantum computing is the use of qubits, quantum bits, which are not limited to binary values 0 or 1 but can also exist in a superposition of states. This allows quantum computers to perform multiple calculations simultaneously and greatly speeds up certain types of calculations. Despite its potential, quantum computing is still in its early stages of development, and practical applications are limited. There are also significant challenges to overcome, such as the need for highly stable and controlled environments to maintain the delicate quantum states of qubits. However, as research and development continue, it is expected that quantum computing will become increasingly important in military technology. Number 2. Unmanned aerial vehicles, also known as drones, have become an increasingly important tool in modern warfare, due to their ability to perform a wide range of missions without putting pilots or other personnel in harm's way. Aerial vehicles can be remotely controlled or operate autonomously, and they can range in size from small, handheld devices to large, sophisticated aircraft. Overall, AR technology has the potential to significantly enhance the capabilities of military personnel, providing them with access to critical information and training resources that can help to improve their effectiveness and safety in combat situations. Number 1. Augmented reality technology refers to the use of computer-generated images, sounds, or other sensory information to enhance the perception of the physical world. In military applications, AR technology can be used to provide soldiers with an augmented view of their surroundings, allowing them to see relevant information about their environment and make informed decisions. Advanced military technology has the potential to significantly impact warfare and global security. On one hand, advanced military technology can provide strategic advantages to countries and improve their ability to defend themselves. For example, advanced missile defense systems can protect against incoming attacks, and drones can conduct reconnaissance without risking the lives of soldiers. Overall, while advanced military technology can provide important strategic advantages, it is important for countries to consider the potential risks and ethical implications of its development and use. International cooperation and regulation may be necessary to ensure that the use of advanced military technology does not lead to greater insecurity and instability. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you so much for tuning in to our video today. We hope you found it informative and interesting. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our latest and the most greatest content.